Okay, guys, let's go on to the next question. Find the type of triangle formed with sides 4x plus 3y, 3x plus 4y, and 5x plus 5y. It is not given, but it's implicit. Means, guys, understood यहाँ पे कि x and y both will be positive. Okay, the reason being, see, if x and y में से कोई भी एक negative हो गया, this term will become negative, ना 5x plus 5y, right? So it is understood that x and y both should be positive. Also, यहाँ पे, guys, if you take suppose x and y as equal, let's say if you take these two sides as equal, for example. Okay, ये बोलता है ऑप्शन में कि the type of triangle can be an equilateral triangle. So if you do this, you're basically going to get x is equal to y, right? If you have x is equal to y, guys, then the triangle form will be an isosceles triangle. These two will be equal, right? Okay, but this won't be equal to 5x plus 5y because x for x is equal to y अगर हो गया guys यहाँ पे 4x plus 3y basically क्या हो जाएगा 4x plus 3x, y को x से replace कर दिया. Okay, same way y can be replaced by x, so you'll have 7x और ये हो जाएगा 10x. It's an isosceles triangle, right? Okay, so कुछ भी हो जाए, okay, अगर आप इससे equate करें, if you equate 5x plus 5y is equal to 4x plus 3y, okay, then you will get x is equal to minus 2y. Not possible since x and y are positive. This is not possible, right? That means the only way you can have the two sides equal are these two sides being equal, right? So तीन साइड तो equal definitely नहीं हो सकते, hence it is definitely not an equilateral triangle. I hope you understood this. I did that. I proved that by first equating these two sides. That is possible. They are forming an isosceles triangle 7x 7x 10x. But if you equate 5x plus 5y with this, then the value of x is minus 2y. Not possible, right? So definitely this can't be an equilateral triangle as such. Okay. Now right angle है या obtuse है या acute जो भी होगा find करने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? The largest side का square, right? And the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay, we'll compare them basically. Okay, so hypotenuse largest side square क्या हो जाएगा guys? A plus b the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? 2 into 5 into 10, 2 into 5 into 5 क्या हो जाएगा 50xy. Okay, अब ये क्या हो जाएगा guys? These two will be 16x square plus 4 3 is 12, 12 24xy plus 9y square. ये हो जाएगा 16y square plus 24xy plus 9x square. So sum of these two sides is basically what, guys? This will become 16x square plus 9x square, 25x square, 9y square, and then 16y square is 25y square. 24 and 24 will be 48xy. If you observe carefully, in दोनों में 25x square plus 25y square is same. Only this part is different, right? 50xy, 48xy. So definitely the greatest side ka square is greater than sum of the squares of these two sides. This happens in an obtuse angle triangle, right? C square is greater than a square plus b square. That's your answer, option B. I hope you've understood this, guys. Let's go on to the next question. If two sides of a triangle have length 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter, how many integer values are possible for the third side? Okay, guys. Now, suppose the third side is, let's say, A, guys. Okay, we know that from the triangle inequality, the difference of two sides is less than the third side, and the sum of the two sides will always be greater than the third side, right? So basically, ये जो A होगा, A will be greater than the difference of these two sides and less than their sum. Okay, 6 minus 8 का difference is minus 2, mod हो जाएगा 2. A is greater than 2 and less than 6 plus 8 is 14, right? 2 to 14, right? Okay, so how many integer values are possible for third side? A is greater than 2 means A can be 3 integer चाहिए ना? 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 तक जाएगा, right? Less than 14 बोला है तो. So 3 से लेके 13 तक how many values are possible? B minus A plus 1. ये हम पहले सीख चुके हैं, right? So 13 minus 3 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 values are possible, right? As simple as that. Okay, guys, let's go on to the next question. If two sides of a triangle have length 6 centimeters and 8 centimeters, how many integral values are possible for the third side such that the triangle formed is an obtuse angle triangle? Guys, पहले तो obtuse angle हम भूल जाते हैं. Let's first make triangles out of this. Okay, so we make triangles by using the triangle inequality. Let the third side be equal to A units. So A will be greater than 8 minus 6 and less than 8 plus 6, like the previous question. So A will lie between 3 and 13, both inclusive. इसका मैंने नीचे values plot कर लिया, 13 and 3 both inclusive. Okay. Now, guys, for obtuse angle triangles, we know a property, and that is the greatest side C square is greater than sum of the squares of the other two sides, right? So here I have two possibilities, guys. देखो greatest side यहाँ पे 8 भी हो सकता है, one possibility, or the greatest side can also be A, which you are assuming, right? So I'll take two cases here, right? The largest side is either A, or largest side is either equal to 8 units. Okay. So if largest side is suppose A, guys, I can say A square will be greater than 6 square plus 8 square. 36 plus 64 is 100. So if 8 square, A square is greater than 10 square, 10 से बड़ा perfect square कौन सा आता है? 11, right? So A should be definitely greater than or equal to 11. Okay. In the same way, guys, largest side अगर 8 है, so 8 square should be greater than 6 square plus A square. So यहाँ पे A square should be less than 64 हो जाएगा, 8 square minus 36 is 28. Okay, 36 64 minus 36 is 28. So A square is less than 28. 28 से just पहले perfect square कौन सा आता है? 25. So A is definitely less than or equal to 5, right, guys? तो A जो होगा, guys, हम मालूम पड़ा है अभी यहाँ पे, A जो होगा, A will be lying between 3 to 13, both inclusive. So A can go from 3, then 4 up to 5 because A is less than or equal to 5, right, guys? यहाँ से हमें तीन वैल्यू मिलती है. Also A should be greater than or equal to 11, right? So 10 तो नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे, 10 से बड़ा वैल्यू क्या आएगा? 11, then 12 and up to 13, right? So three more values. That means, guys, A can take total 6 values if the triangle is an obtuse angle triangle. Okay. And the values are 3, 4, 5, 11, 12 and 13. Okay.